Good morning, English Activities, Project 3, Week 2. Topic, Career Advice. Exercise 1. Classify the occupations below into the different areas. The numbers of into each category. Write 3 numbers of into each category. For example, in the first category, building and fixing things, you are going to write number 7 for carpenter, number 17 for electrician, and number 29 for mechanic. Exercise 2. Listen to a professor giving advice on what to study at the university. Decide if each of the statements below are true or false according to what she says. 3. Listen to the audio again and complete the blanks with the professions you hear. Computer science, architecture, psychology, engineering, graphic design, social work, and human resources. I'm going to send you an audio, and with this, you complete exercise 3 and decide if the sentences are true or false on exercise 2. Exercise 4. Take the following test. Circle your answer and check the result according your answer. Read instructions. Okay, you are going to take a test. Va a tomar esta prueba, un pequeño test sobre qué carrera es mejor para usted. Entonces va a leer las oraciones en cada opción y va a escoger, va a encerrar una letra por cada ítem. Una vez que ya haya terminado el quiz, el que está aquí en el lado izquierdo, vamos a ver los resultados. Mostly A's, si usted tiene la mayoría de los resultados es la letra A, este es su respuesta. Para la mayoría B, aquí está, y así sucesivamente, C and this. Exercise 5. Based on your results of the quiz, answer the following questions. What is your results? Mostly. ¿Cuál es su resultado? Mayormente, ¿qué tuvo? A, B, C or D. Aquí escribe la letra que usted mayormente tuvo sus respuestas. Do you agree with the result? Tell me why or why not. ¿Estuvo de acuerdo con los resultados? Yes or not and because. Y la razón el por qué estuvo de acuerdo o no. And finally, what career are you planning to study in the university? Thank you. Bye.